Okay, the next example here. Prove that determinant of x x square y z second row elements y square zx third row elements z square xy is equal to x minus y into y minus z into z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx here. Okay, so therefore here multiplying and dividing r1 by x, r2 by y and r3 by z here. Okay, multiplying and dividing, so r1 by x here and r2 by y and r3 by z here. Okay, therefore here this is a given determinant here, so take it as a delta here. Delta is equal to, if you multiply x inside here, then you divide x outside here. Okay, here you just divide x outside here, then multiply x inside the determinant here. So x into x becomes x square. X square into x is x cube here. Then yz is there. So right here x yz here. Then multiply second row by y. Therefore you divide 1y outside here. Okay. Therefore y into y becomes y square. Then it is a y cube here. And here x y z. X y z here. And here third row multiply by z here. Yes, divide one z outside here. Okay. Therefore z into z becomes z square. Then z cube here. And multiply by z here, it gives x y z here. Just observe here third column, all the elements are same here, x y z. You can take x y z common factor here. Hence this is equal to x y z common divided by x y z here into determinant of x square y square z square here, x square y square z square per column elements. Second column elements are x cube, then y cube, then z cube here, and the third row elements here 1 and 1 here. Okay, here x y z get cancels here, x and x cancels here, y and y cancels, z and z cancels here. Okay, and you know that if any row or any column elements are like this 1 and 1 1, in that case make two terms zeros here. Okay, r2 minus r1 as well as r3 minus r1 here. Okay, so r2 gives r2 minus r1 and r3 gives here r3 minus of r1. Yes, so this is equal to determinant of first element write as it is here, x square, then x cube and 1 here, y square minus x square, y square minus x square, y cube minus x cube here, y cube minus x cube, and 1 minus 1 becomes 0 here. Then z square minus x square. So z square minus of x square, z cube minus x cube here, z cube minus x cube, 1 minus 1 becomes 0 here. Okay. Then this is equal to determinant of, here first row elements keep as it is here, x square, then x cube and 1 here. Okay, y square minus x square, use a square minus b square formula. Y square minus x square is y plus x into y minus x here. z square minus x square, z plus x into z minus x here. Then here use a cube minus b cube formula. Y cube minus x cube is y minus x into y square plus yx plus x square here. Okay. Then and z cube minus x cube here, z minus x into so z square plus zx plus x square here. Then these two elements are zeros here. Right here 0 and 0. Okay. From second row y minus x common factor. From third row z minus x common here. Hence this is equal to y minus x into z minus x common factor here, determinant of. Therefore x square, then x cube and 1 here. Then remaining here y plus x, then y square plus yx plus x square and 0 here. Then z plus x here, then z square plus zx plus x square and 0. Okay. Then again subtracting here. Okay. Here R3 minus R2 here. R3 gives here R3 minus of R2. Okay. Therefore y minus x here into z minus x, right, as it is here, into determinant of. So x square, then x cube and 1 here, then y plus x, y square plus yx plus x square and here 0. Here this minus this here, 3 minus R2. Here subtracting here, x and x cancels here, z minus y. So it is a z minus of y, z minus y. Then this term minus this term here, so z square plus zx plus x square here. Minus of this means all the term become minus here. Minus of y square minus yx minus x square here. Then x square and this x square cancels here. X square and x square cancels. Then z square minus y square here. So right here z square minus y square plus zx minus yx. Zx minus of yx here. Here z square minus y square is z plus y into z minus y, and here x is the common factor. So z minus of y into x here. Then here z minus y, here also z minus y. Z minus y is the common factor here. Z minus y is the common. Z plus y plus x here. Z plus y plus x. Okay, therefore here this minus of this, here's a z minus y. So right here z minus y into z plus y plus x is nothing but x plus y plus z here, and it is a 0. It is 0. Okay. Then from third here, z minus y common factor here. Okay. Here z minus y is the common. So therefore this is equal to y minus x, z minus x, and z minus y common here. Z minus y to determinant of x square, x cube and 1 here. Then y plus x, then y square plus yx plus x square here. then 0. Then here z minus y common here, so remaining here 1. Then x plus y plus z and 0 and 0. Okay, then expand this determinant here. Expand the determinant. Okay, so this is equal to y minus x into z minus x into z minus y into bracket here x square. Okay, write here x square into bracket here this term into 0 becomes a 0. So write here 0 minus. Then this term into 0 becomes a 0. It is a 0. Then minus of x cube. Minus x cube into y plus x into 0 becomes a 0. Minus of 1 into 0 becomes a 0. So it is a 0. Bracket complete. Next 1 here. Plus 1. So plus 1 into bracket. Then this into this here. Okay. Y plus x into x plus y plus z here. X plus y plus z minus of then this into this here. So minus of y square plus yx plus x square plus x square. Okay, bracket complete here. Okay, so then this equal to from this term here take minus common here, and here also take minus common. Minus into minus becomes a plus here. Here's x minus y. Then this becomes y minus z here. This is z minus x, keep as it is here. Okay, here take minus, here minus. Minus into minus becomes plus here. Then x minus y, and this is y minus z. Then z minus x here. Then x square into 0 becomes a 0. Complete this term becomes 0. X cube minus 0 is again 0. Complete this term is 0. So 0 minus of 0 plus. Then multiply the terms here. Y into x becomes xy. So write here xy. Y into y square plus y square. Y into z, zy or yz here plus yz. X into x, x square plus x square. X into y, xy here plus xy. X into z, xz plus xz plus xz. Then take a minus inside the bracket here. Then minus of y square minus xy minus of x square here, bracket complete here. Then plus y square minus y square cancels here. Then plus x square and minus x square get cancels. And plus xy minus xy cancels here. Therefore this equal to x minus y into y minus z into z minus x into here xy is there. So term xy, then yz plus yz, then xz here plus xz here. So this is our required result here. It is a 4 marks question here. Okay, the next example, prove that for two elements x plus 4, 2x and 2x. Second elements are 2x, x plus 4, 2x. Third elements are 2x, 2x and x plus 4 is equal to 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x. Okay. Therefore, determinant of x plus 4, then 2x and 2x here, 2x, x plus 4 and 2x here, then 2x, 2x, x plus 4 here. Okay, here you can add all the row or add all the columns here. You'll get this result here, 5x plus 4. Okay, I'm adding columns here. Okay, so c1 gives c1 plus c2 plus c3 here. Therefore determinant of here first column changes here, only first column, so remaining two columns keep as it is here. So sum of these three terms here, 2x plus 2x 4x, 4x plus x becomes 5x here, 5x plus 4, it is a 5x plus 4 here. Sum of these three elements here, it is a 5x plus 4 here, and the sum of these three elements it is a 5x plus 4. Then the second column elements are 2x, then x plus 4 and 2x here. Third column elements are 2x, then 2x and x plus 4 here. X plus 4. Here 5x plus 4, all the elements are same here. Take a common factor here. Yes, 5x plus 4 is the common factor. Keep outside determinant of. Here 1 and 1 here. Then write here 2x. Then x plus 4 and 2x here. Then 2x and x plus 4 here. X plus 4. Again here 1 and 1. Make two terms 0 here. Hence R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1 here. R2 gives R2 minus R1 and R3 gives here R3 minus of R1 here. So 5x plus 4 write as it is. So 5x plus 4 into determinant of. So write here 1, then 2x and 2x here. R2 minus R1 here, 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Then this minus is here. So look here, x plus 4 minus of 2x here. In that case, 4 write as it is here. X minus 2x becomes minus x. So it is 4 minus of x here. 2x minus 2x becomes 0. It is 0. And again 1 minus 1 is 0. 2x minus 2x 0 here. And this minus is 4 minus x here. So 4 minus x. And there is a property here. If one side of the diagonal elements are all 0 0 like this. Here these are elements 0 0. Okay, here this is a diagonal elements here. These three terms are 0 0. Then the value of this determinant is a product of the diagonal elements here. So this into this here. So therefore this is equal to 5x plus 4. 4 minus x into 4 minus x. 4 minus of x, it's a square here. Square is there. So 4 minus x whole square. Hence LHS equal to RHS here. 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square. So this is required result here. Okay. Okay, next example. Prove that y plus k, y, second elements y plus k, y, third elements y and y plus k is equal to k square into 3y plus k. So therefore this is given determinant here. Just take a previous example, add all the columns here. Even you can add all the row also. Okay. So C1 gives C1 plus C2 plus C3. So here first column only changes here, second and third column keep as it is. Sum of these three elements is 3y plus k. 3y plus k. Sum of these three elements here 3y plus k. Sum of these three elements 3y plus k. Second column y plus k and y. Third elements are y and y plus k. Okay. So second column elements are y plus k and y. Third column elements are y and y plus k. Here 3y plus k common factor here. First column 3y plus k is the common factor. Therefore determinant of 1 and 1 here. Then y plus k and y here. Similarly y and y plus k. And make these two terms as zeros here. Hence R2 minus R1. R2 gives R2 minus R1 and R3 gives here R3 minus of R1. So therefore this is equal to 3y plus k. 3y plus k into determinant of 1 y and y here. So write here 1 y and y. R2 minus R1 here. 1 minus 1 becomes a 0. Then this minus this here, y and y cancels. Remaining is a k here. Y minus y becomes a 0. So this is a 0 here. Similarly, 1 minus 1 is a 0. Then y minus y is a 0 here. And this y cancels here. Remaining is a k. Remaining is k. Here these three terms are zeros here. Direct multiply, diagonal elements here. Therefore this is equal to k into k becomes k square. K square into 1 is a k square here. Hence k square into bracket 3y plus k here. So this is a required result here. K square into 3y plus k.